Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the Hiway Hauler 2 by Hot Wheels. I'm not sure what truck it's based on. It's more of a fantasy casting kind of thing, but again, looks very close to a real truck. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Hiway Hauler 2 out of its box. It has a nice black paint, nice, big grill like most North American trucks, but I don't think any of them have like chrome windows and windscreen. But again, I can't see any headlamp or anything up front. If they are somewhere, it might be on the fenders. I'm not sure. It's nice they have mirrors on both the sides. That's surprising. What else misses it on most of them? Assuming the driver is on the left side, let's just go there. So on the driver's side, you can see this twin exhaust coming out. You can see this more of a toolbox kind of thing. Step to get in the truck, and you can also see the door handle there. Wheels, again, I don't think any truck comes with these wheels. Kind of wheels, but it's a fantasy casting, so it works here, I guess. On the side, you see big Hot Wheels logo, and it says Rapid Race Spots. So it provides race spots to other Hot Wheels cars, I guess. Not bad. Coming to the back, it has a shutter door, roll-up door kind of thing. Doesn't open. I don't see any tail lamps in the back. I do see these small handles. I think that's to climb in. So I think a good detail, but it's not detailed. It's there, but you can't really see. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any difference here. This is how it looks from the top. Are these for aerodynamics? I don't know. This does look like a spoiler, but I don't think it's a spoiler. I think it's just to store the rolled up door. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So I usually don't go for fantasy castings, but this was there. I just got this. Should you get one? You can pass on. If you like collecting trucks, then you might, if you like Hot Wheels truck. But if you want like something which is based on an actual vehicle, then you can pass on this one. Well, that's what I think. Let me know what you think about this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.